Hello students and welcome to Avid Education Academy. Today we are starting our science journey for class 9 with chapter 1, Matter, its nature and behavior. In this video, we will understand what matter is, learn about the 3 states of matter, and explore their characteristics. Let's begin with a simple question. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. In other words, पदार्थ वो होता है जिसका वजन हो और जो जगह घेर सकता हो. Everything around us is made up of matter. The water we drink, the air we breathe, the food we eat, the chair we sit on, all of these are matter. Now let's understand the 3 main states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Let's begin with solids. Solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. The particles in a solid are packed very tightly and cannot move freely. That's why solids are hard and rigid. Examples of solids include a brick, a book, a wooden table, or an ice cube. Now, liquids. Liquids do not have a fixed shape, but they have a fixed volume. The particles in a liquid are not as tightly packed as in solids. They can slide over each other, which is why liquids can flow. Liquids take the shape of the container they are kept in. For example, water, milk, oil, and juice. तरल अपने कंटेनर का आकार ले लेते हैं, लेकिन उनका आयतन निश्चित होता है. Now gases. Gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. The particles in a gas are far apart and move freely in all directions. That's why gases can expand and fill any container completely. They are also easily compressible. Examples include oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the air around us. Let us quickly compare the 3 states. Solids have fixed shape and fixed volume. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. Gases have neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Solids cannot be compressed. Liquids can be compressed slightly. Gases can be compressed easily. ठोस दबते नहीं हैं, तरल थोड़ा दबते हैं, और गैसें आसानी से दब जाती हैं. Here's a simple example from real life. If we heat ice, it melts into water. If we heat water, it turns into steam or water vapor. This shows how matter can change its state when temperature changes. Let's do a quick revision. Question 1. Which state of matter has fixed volume but not fixed shape? Answer: liquid. Question 2. Which state of matter is highly compressible? Answer: gas. That's all for today's class on what is matter and its states. In the next video, we will learn how matter changes its state through melting, freezing, evaporation, and condensation. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Avid Education Academy, and share it with your classmates. Let's make learning fun and easy together. Thank you for watching.